When exploring unfamiliar code, you want to get into the interesting parts of your program as fast as possible. Where does the program initialization happen? Where is the main loop of the program? Which modules are involved in producing the results from the program? These kinds of questions are easy to answer when you have an undo recording. A recording lets you step through every function the program executes and lets you inspect in total detail. Being able to step through the code as it's running makes it easy to identify which concrete parts of your code are being used under normal operation. At any random point, you'll be stopped inside some arbitrarily deep function, but the backtrace can tell you where you are. The last command lets you navigate to the last time some variable had a different value. This is one of the most powerful features of time travel debugging. Instead of trying to manually step along the expected path of execution, you can navigate directly between important events by using data structures as guides. By using the last command, you can quickly build up a mental map of which parts of your program are involved in mutating your program's data structures. If you end up running the recorded program too far, you can always undo whatever you did with the yugo undo command. The recording can be loaded and replayed as many times as you need, and UDB saves your bookmarks, breakpoints, and navigation history so you can always pick up where you left off.